Tracfone Error Code 15 access denied is primarily triggered when Tracfone detects a non-US IP address. This commonly occurs when using a VPN or when you're physically outside the United States. Tracfone services are intended for US residents only, and this error is a security measure to enforce regional restrictions and prevent fraud, such as unauthorized activations. The error isn't a hardware issue. It's a software and network enforcement mechanism tied to your IP address. The error message typically reads, Error 15, access denied. Please check your connection and try again. To resolve error code 15, ensure you have a clean US IP address. First, disable any VPNs you're using. Next, connect to a US-based Wi-Fi hotspot. Clearing the app cache may also help. If the issue persists while traveling abroad, Tracfone offers a temporary travel mode requiring a one-time PIN sent to your registered US number. Contact Tracfone support to enable this. Keep in mind that Tracfone actively blocks known proxy IPs, so avoid those. For persistent issues, contacting Tracfone customer service at 1-800-867-7183 may be necessary, but be prepared for potential wait times.